Hi everyone, I'm Gayatri Kelkar and today I will be showing you an easy way to make cake pops using dark chocolate and white chocolate. For all the tips and tricks, do watch my video till the end. So let's get started. Dry your palms and take a dry chopping board with a dry knife. Here I have taken milk chocolate compound and dark chocolate compound 200 grams each. Now I will finely chop the chocolate. If it is evenly cut, it is easier to melt it. Transfer this chocolate to a microwave safe bowl. You can also melt this in a double boiler method. Also chop the dark chocolate compound. And we are going to keep this separate in a different glass bowl. Now we will measure the cream and the chocolate to make the truffle sauce. Here I have taken Amul fresh cream 100 grams. Measure exactly so that you can make a perfect sauce. Now I will microwave this cream for a minute. You can heat it on low flame too. Here the cream is boiling hot. I will keep it aside for 2 minutes. You can see the steam coming. Now let's measure the chocolate. Take the chocolate exactly double of the cream, that is 200 grams. If you do not have a measuring or a weighing scale, you can use the measuring cup. I am using a scale to show exact amounts used. Mix the chocolate to the hot cream and keep stirring till all the chocolate dissolves. Remember that chocolate is very delicate and it burns very quickly. So microwave it only for 30 seconds, it will never burn. As the chocolate has not melted, I am going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Keep stirring till all the chocolate melts. Here our glossy sauce is ready. At this stage it is called a truffle sauce, and when it thickens after refrigeration it is called a ganache. Here I have taken the leftover cake from the cake I had baked a day ago. To this I will add the truffle sauce. You can see the sauce has become thick as I had refrigerated for 30 minutes. Add the sauce little by little as the amount of sauce required would depend upon the moistness of the cake you have taken. Mix well with the spatula. I feel the cake is little dry and need to add more of the sauce. Again just add little and mix well. This mixture is sticky and becomes thick to bind together at this stage. Use your hands to mix well and make a soft dough-like consistency. You can take any spoon to measure. I am using an ice cream scoop to make equal size cake pops. After rolling, you can see there are lumps or cracks appearing in the cake ball. Knead the mixture again for a few more minutes. I have kneaded this mixture for 2 minutes. Now let's roll the mixture between the palms gently into smooth and small round balls without any cracks. Here I have rolled all the cake pops. Now refrigerate this for half an hour. Let's melt the dark chocolate for 30 seconds in the microwave. I have heated this for 30 seconds, but due to the cold weather, I need to heat this again in the microwave for 30 seconds. Melting the chocolate in winters does take time, but heat only for 30 seconds each time, otherwise the chocolate will burn. I will again microwave this for 30 seconds. You can use a double boiler to melt the chocolate. Here you can see the chocolate has melted well. It has become smooth and glossy too. I have not added any oil. Similarly, melt the white chocolate and keep it ready too. Here the white chocolate too is melted nicely. And our white chocolate and dark chocolate are ready to use. Let's get the cake pops. The cake pops become hard on cooling. Just roll them between your palms to maintain the shape. Take a straw. I am taking a skewer as I didn't have a straw. Dip it in the melted chocolate and insert in the cake pop gently. And leave it to dry. Repeat the same process for the other pops. Here I am dipping it in the white sauce as I will be making white pastel colored cake pops too, so keep watching till the end. After attaching all the skewers, refrigerate for 30 minutes again. Here I have some lovely sprinklers ready in small bowls. I have taken melted dark chocolate in a small glass. Now let's dip the cake pop in this chocolate. Dip it, let the chocolate coat from all the sides, take it out and roll and tap gently for excess chocolate to fall off. Now quickly add the sprinklers as the chocolate dries up very quickly. And here our first cake pop is ready. Repeat the same for the dark chocolate ones. After these I will show you how to color the white chocolate and make colored ones too. Dip it, tap it gently, roll it and immediately add the sprinklers. And the third one is ready too. And the fourth one. Here the sprinklers are in the Mickey Mouse face shape. And this is the fifth one. And the sixth one. Now let's make the white ones too. Dip the cake pop in the white chocolate, but white chocolate takes a lot of time to dry up and keeps melting, so needs a little practice. Also tap gently, otherwise the cake pop will fall off. Also, if the chocolate drips in the sprinkler, do not worry as it will harden as a chunk and can be removed easily later on. Isn't this looking so pretty? Do you think so? Let's make a pink cake pop. Take white chocolate in a small glass. I'm adding 2 drops of pink gel color and mix well. I've got a lovely pastel pink color. Dip the cake pop and repeat the process. If you feel the chocolate drips off more from one side, dip again and coat well. Let's make a yellow cake pop. I've added yellow gel color and mix well. Decide on the color combination and keep the sprinkler close. I think the red one will look nice on yellow. Do you think so too? White chocolate drips a lot, so be patient, but the result is wonderful. I have added blue gel color to yellow to make a lovely pastel green. Just mix well. And a pretty green and pink cake pop is ready. Isn't this looking so pretty? And our colorful cake pops, which look so beautiful and taste so yummy, are ready. With the leftover chocolate, I'll set them in a mold so that we can use them to decorate on cakes or just eat it the way they are. So no chocolate goes a waste. Tap well to release the air, refrigerate for 1 hour. Do try these cake pops at home, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. They look so pretty. These cake pops are really very beautiful. Imagine giving them to a small child. They're so colorful. So if you agree with me, give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.